In the town just outside of Zion, we checked with the local outfitters if the Narrows would be a go that day, but the water level was just still way too high, so we decided to go northeast to Bryce Canyon. And going through Zion along the way, we can stop at this Overlook trail and get a real nice view of things down below.
Sean, we got snow.
We started from the top and ventured down from there.
This right here is the highest point.
It was a refreshing break from all the hiking we did the day before. The snow provided a fun contrast to the desert, but it also housed some hidden gems.
Ooh, what could this be?
It was at the lower elevations where we started to get the iconic Bryce Canyon views. And we also got the chance to
learn something new. Hoodoos edition.
Things we're checking out are called Hoodoos because we're being an informational oriented channel now, because that's what this kid wanted. More talky talk, less fun. Encyclopedia Brown here. Actually, the one good part was that this whole thing used to be underwater. That was cool to understand.
It was way lower back then.
And then it pushed up. There you go. See? Science.
Now back to the action.
Look at this. Hey, Mom.
I want to be in the video.
My mom. There she is.
And then, at our last stop, look out! There was a path to hike down into the canyon.
Bryce Canyon. Let's go get some pizza.